guess what? I did something. Do you like it? Kind of on a total whim. I know I've been talking about it for a while. I even mentioned it last weekend. Well, it happened. Like 2 seconds ago it happened. Like I just dried my hair and put a little curl in it, and Grant is downstairs waiting. I'm gonna see what he thinks.
Ooh, look at this fancy lady with her pink hair.
Oh, I'm so pink. I think that it's like a little patchy in some places, but I kind of knew it was gonna be like that.
That looks cute.
And I use 2 different pinks. I use like a pastel, and then I use like a straight up pink. Yeah, so you can see like the section that didn't really get any pink. I tried. Away she goes into the night. All right, now it's cooking time. Yes, I finally ordered plated, and I did one of the meals earlier this week. I did burgers. I'm doing it.
What?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm making burgers for you. And they were actually good. I was actually pretty pleased with how they turned out. And tonight we're doing this one, or I'm doing this one, the beef noodle bowls with dinosaur, kale, and mushrooms. I haven't fully determined if plated is worth it yet, but so far so good. We'll see. Dinosaur, kale. I'm not focusing. This is also a camera test, because I got a new camera since last weekend. Remember how I didn't have a camera and it was so sad? Now I have a new one. But we have to see if we like this. Be watching. Let me know if you like this. We got all of the ingredients in here. I love how they label everything. It's so cute. The camera's already dying. This is a serious mushroom situation. Hello.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. Maybe in our world here could live a happy little mountain.
My lovely assistant stepped in.
Parental supervision required.
He's a hero. Here we are. It is a plated meal. It's not my favorite thing I've ever eaten.
I think it's good.
It's good. The point is I'm trying.
You did good.
Food in your being, you cannot has it.
So, I thank you, and I forgive you.
Good morning. I like my hair more today. I was feeling kind of unsure about it yesterday, but today I like it. It's kind of like a dusty rose. I look like I didn't sleep at all. I had the craziest dreams. Like Grant and I were like on a trip, and at one part we were like on a beach, and he was like carrying me everywhere, which was really sweet, and I really liked it. And then we saw all these dolphins, and they were really, really close to us. And then there was like also a donkey in the water, and somehow that was related in my mind. I don't know. I have the weirdest dreams ever. I started to kind of like write them down in the notes on my phone, but I don't think I wrote this one down quick enough. All right, so today is an exciting day for me and Luna because we are going to brunch, and then we're going to the dog park with 2 of her little friends. for now. How you feeling? Generally traumatized, I think. Look at those paws. Are you falling asleep already? She's so exhausted. Sweet Lou. Oh, you had too much fun. I'm talking to you. Right now, we are about to go to dinner. We're gonna go to
D&T Drive-In.
D&T, I wanted to say D&D. And then after that, we are going to White Oak to see Andy Schaaf. Did you listen to his music?
Yeah, well, I listened to that song on CD.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it's good. Be a mellow show.
We've been going to some really fun shows lately. Saw the Walters on Friday. It's lost focus for no apparent reason. This camera though, it's the Canon G7X Mark II, and I tried to do my research, and obviously there's downsides to any camera, but like the focus on this one, not that great. And I washed my hair when I got home from the dog park, and it faded significantly, but I like it, I still like it. The Walters and Somersaults was so good. Tonight's happening. Yay. You know what?
We had our first date here.
We didn't have our first date here, but we did have our first kiss here. Aww. We haven't been back since.
We haven't been back since, I know.
No, they were closed for an event. I don't know what Plan B is. Okay, so that place was delicious. We ate great food. They had an amazing drink list. We want to go back right now. But we're about to go to the show. I posted a picture on Instagram of my new hair, and everyone's loving it. It's making me feel so nice. Everyone's being so sweet. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
What are you looking for? Oh. Uh-oh, Leigh, whoa.